Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix wallpaper limit reached on Android. If you are using Android phone and you want to get more wallpaper but your wallpaper limit has been reached, so let's see how can you fix the problem. First, you have to open Themes app in your Android phone, and here you have to go to local. In local, you have an option of local wallpapers. Tap on it, and here you can see all of your phone wallpapers which are custom or these are downloaded. These are the downloaded wallpapers. If you want to download more wallpapers, so you just need to delete some of them. Here select the wallpaper which you won't need, as I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, then delete again, and then do same with the other, delete and delete again. And now you can see I have deleted almost 2 wallpapers, so now I'm going to download more. Tap on download more, and here you have to look for the wallpaper which you want to download. As I'm going to download this one, so just tap on it and then tap on download, and after that you can see the wallpaper has been downloaded. I can apply it to my phone, and that's all. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.